Hi, this is Janvi. Today I'm going to speak for the 10th and 12th standard students who are preparing for their board exams. For most of the people it will be really scary, thrilling, horrifying. For some of them it will be a little more easier, but still, somewhere there is a sight of nervousness. There are a few tips that I would like to suggest, I would like to share with you because I have also passed my 10th last year. The most important thing which is required for all the students, technically and psychologically, that is sleep, and which is most of the students, that is something they lack. It's a trend nowadays to study late nights and this and that because we find it more peaceful and easier to study at that time. But sleep is very much important because when we are studying, we are studying in the conscious mind. But when we go to sleep, that is the time when your unconscious mind gets an opportunity to scrutinize all the things that you have learned in the conscious. जैसे बहुत बार feel होता है कि सुबह को we study many things and we just feel that it's just too much. If you ask me one thing, I can answer, but getting it all together, that is difficult. But the next day when we go and give the exam, we know everything. So that is what the unconscious mind does, that it starts repeating and it starts putting in place at night. And the time from 2 to 3 especially, that is the time when your brain secretes serotonin, which is an enzyme which gives you the satisfaction of sleeping. So no matter what, even if you want to sleep for 1 hour, but you have to be careful enough that you sleep between 2 to 3 o'clock so that you get that satisfaction of sleep. Or else even if you sleep between 4 to 6 or 6 to 8, it's not going to be so satisfying as the 2 to 3 a.m. sleep will be. Second most important thing is fear. I would say that fear is always something that is unclear. Just say, we have never died before, right? That's why we are always scared of death. Because we keep on imagining from other people's experiences how our death will be like. In the same way, the 10th standard students, they haven't given the board exam, they don't know how will it be like, so they're just preparing. So there are kind of imaginations which keep on going in your mind. And we only imagine, and it is said that 93% of the fears that we imagine, they never happen. So it's no point wasting your time getting scared. Yes, you still have some 10-20 days left with you. You can utilize all your time, and the more relaxed you are, the more easily you will be able to grasp in. Because that is called the alpha state, in which you are the most relaxed, and that is the most receptive state. So all that you need to be careful is don't be scared, because if you're scared, then it's going to be even more difficult grasping, and then you get stuck into that chain. So the least scared you will be, the easier the board exams will be for you. And for those who are giving the 12th standard, some might be in the overconfidence maybe. You have to be careful that whether you have a false confidence, you have low confidence, you're confident enough. All that we have to look for is completing the portion, and don't look for how much marks you will score. Marks will be just a byproduct. We've always learned how to study, but we have always learned that we have to study, but we have never learned how to study. So the most important thing you need to learn on how to study is just relax. And the more you are relaxed, the more receptive you are. The more receptive you are, marks will just be the byproduct. So all the best, take care, and don't get scared.